Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to switch accounts. Now you can only do switch accounts when you have multiple accounts on your device. So if you want to know if you have multiple accounts on your device, this is how to do it. And if you want to just switch, this is also how to do it. Open your WhatsApp application, and on the top right hand area you click on that, and then you are going to see where it says switch account. Now you go ahead and click on that, and it's as simple as that. It has switched. Now if you want a different method to switch account, you click on the same area, three dotted icon, you go to the settings, and then you click on the drop down area next to your profile image. You click on that, and then you are going to see drop down below where it displays the two accounts. Then you can choose anyone you want to, and then you are going to be switched. This is how to switch accounts on WhatsApp in 2025. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.